Today we will see how to find the equation of trajectory of a projectile. See, projectile is a curve. When something is projected from a point on the earth, it falls in another point following a curved path. Now, if we have to find the equation of the trajectory of projectile, then we have to select any point xy on this projectile and we have to find a relation between x and y. So that is the way we find equation of any line. I am Datta sir. I am an IIT professor for a long time and also ex-senior professor of a number one IIT Institute of India. I have made and I am making also videos on small topics where I have seen the students are struggling. So it is for the benefit of the students. So if you are also benefited by this, please like this and share this as much as you can, and also subscribe to this channel so that you can get new video when it is published. Also, I want your comments so that I can know which type of concept you want, so that I can make video on that concept. So today's concept is trajectory equation of projectile. I have seen many students have found difficulty in this. So let us try to solve it in a very simple manner. Look into the diagram of the projectile. So it is projected at O and it falls at A. Now it is projected with initial velocity u, which has two components, u sin theta and u cos theta. U cos theta is horizontal, so it will not change, and u sin theta will be affected by g, which is vertically downwards, so it will be affected. On ON, if a point xy is taken at P, then ON becomes x and Pn becomes y. So ON is x, means suppose in time t the point goes to P. So in time t ON becomes u cos theta into t, because u cos theta is a constant velocity, horizontal one. So that gives t equal to x by u cos theta. That means our purpose is to eliminate t. So we have found the value of t from this equation. Now Pn is the y is the displacement in y direction, which is u sin theta into t minus half gt square. So that is by kinematic equation. So what we do is, here we put the value of t as received from earlier equation. So we put y equal to u sin theta into x by u cos theta minus half into g into x square by u square cos square theta. That gives y equal to x tan theta minus g x square 2 by 2 u square cos square theta. So this equation, you know, this is an equation of x and y, and it gives the trajectory of the projectile. Now you know any equation which is between x and y, out of which x or y, anyone has power 1 and another has maximum power 2, then it becomes a parabola. Here also x has maximum power 2 but y has maximum power 1. So it is also a parabolic curve. So this is the equation of trajectory and it is parabola. So its form is y equal to ax minus bx square, because if we take a, because the coefficient of x is tan theta, which is constant, we can take this as a, and coefficient of x square is also a constant, we can take this as b. So any equation in the form y equal to ax minus bx square is a parabola. Now we discuss a problem on this equation of parabola. Suppose a parabola is given as y equal to ax minus bx square, and we have to find maximum height and range of the parabola. So what we do, y equal to ax minus bx square, so we differentiate with x. We get dy by dx equal to a minus 2bx. Now dy by dx is the slope. The slope of the curve, of the parabolic curve, it becomes horizontal at the topmost point. So their slope becomes 0. So if we put 0 equal to a minus 2bx, because dy dx equal to a minus 2bx, in that case we put a minus 2bx equal to 0 or x equal to a by 2b. That means when the value of x is a by 2b, means that is the displacement in x direction, at that point the particle reaches the topmost point. So what we will do is, we will now find y, putting the value, this value x, in the formula of y. Now that will give us y maximum, or that is the maximum height. So if we put that y is ax minus bx square given, so we put a into, in place of x we put x by a by 2b. So we put y equal to a into a by 2b minus b into a by 2b whole square, means a square by 4b square. So that gives us a square by 4b. That means range is, that is the maximum height. Maximum height is a square by 4b. Now to find range, earlier also we have seen, when y equal to 0, means displacement in y direction is 0. It is 2 times 0, when at the beginning and at the end. So at that point, at the end point, when it falls, the value of x displacement is the range. Now if we put y 0, we find ax minus bx square equal to 0. That gives us x equal to a by b. There is another value x equal to 0, which is the initial value, initial point, and x equal to a by b is the displacement when it falls at the other point. So this is the range of the projectile. So this is the way we deal with various projectile problem. I have given you one example. I hope that is clear to you. Now these projectile problems you will find everywhere. It is in mechanics, also in various other chapters you will find projectile problem. So you have to understand, if the projectile is on ground, then you will apply the projectile formulas. But if it is inclined, then you have to deal with in different way. Or in many cases, we have to use this equation of trajectory formula to find our answer. So this much today. I hope you have learned it, and I will come to you with another video next time. Thank you very much.